Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is May the 20th, 2025. And let's take a look at Chicago corn futures here. This is the weekly chart of Chicago corn futures. And you will recall that we've been anticipating this retest of this green 50-week moving average, and we did get it here this last week, and now we're finding some buying stepping in at that level. And often what happens is you get this retest, and then you get some buyers step in, and you get some support. So on a weekly chart, I have a feeling, and I feel that this chart will get a rally. We'll test these highs around $5 again is what I'm anticipating will happen, as long as we are above this green 50-week moving average, which we are here this week. I'm going to go to the daily chart here and take a look at that. And yeah, so this is the 200-day moving average, the purple line here. We anticipated that retest, and we've found it. So, we spent 4 or 5, 6 days above it. We're finding some support from the 200-day, which we anticipate. And we have a declining 50-day moving average overhead, which is likely to act as a little bit of resistance, and there's some supply overhead too we need to work through. I think this chart is a little early to get too excited about, but it's not too early to be hopeful. I'll just turn on my annotations here, and yeah, you can see these key levels for me. I have this anchored volume weighted average price from back in August the 29th of 2024. We're back trading above it. Let's see if that continues to be the case, and that's very critical for me, because that's the contract switch back here in August 29th. Now, if we lose that and we lose that 200-day moving average, then yeah, I think we're going to be testing some lower lows. But as long as we're above there, there's signs and hope that this recent trend from since November of last year will continue in upward fashion. Again, I mentioned that $5 level. We have this VWAP from way back in October 10th, 2022. That's going to likely to act as some resistance again here. It did back here in February, likely to continue. But right now, I kind of think this is going to go sideways for a while. I don't really see much for opportunity here in the corn market, but at least it appears to have quit moving down for now. My name is Trent Klarenbach, sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.